Hey guys, this is Freak Show from Killer Reviews. And guess what I got in my hands today? The 40th anniversary of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Can you see this? It is awesome. I will get to the review in a second, but let's check the inside out real quick. It's a 4-disc set. Of course, my case is cracked courtesy of Best Buy, so I will be getting a new one. Feature film, the bonus disc, and the DVD of the feature film, and the DVD of the bonus disc. Let's take a look underneath here. This is one of my all-time favorites. Besides Halloween, of course. This is it. The 70s were amazing for horror movies, as was the 80s, but the 70s, I mean, you had The Exorcist and all that. I mean, they had so many good, scary ones that were ahead of its time. And this one, it was just, you know, it scared everybody when it came out. Just freaked everybody out. And that's when you got a good horror movie. When it scares the hell out of you. Okay. Get this side here. Look at that. Awesome shot, right? Okay, so I should have left that left those out so you could see her walking up to the house. That was the shot in the movie. Looking for her boyfriend. I can't remember his name. So anyway, that's that picture of Marilyn Burns, who has just passed away recently. It's very sad. I liked her. Another Tobe Hooper classic. This is the ultimate. This is timeless. This is a Tobe Hooper timeless classic. And you know, this came out in '74. I was actually born in '71. So amazing. Now, this looks incredible. The video, the sound, I think it was actually remastered in they actually remastered it from the actual film. Yeah, Dark Sky Films actually took this and they did an all-new 4K digital transfer with a newly created 7.1 surround sound, mixed and supervised by Tobe Hooper. They said this movie could not look any better. Well, guess what? It looks awesome. This totally changes your experience of watching this on the old DVD. This is 100 times better than the original DVD that came out, and it's a lot better than the last DVD that came out. And there's so many great special features on this. Let me just read off a few, or well, I'll just read them off. So you got 4 feature commentaries, and they're excellent. You got to check them out. You got one with director Tobe Hooper, actor Gunnar Hansen, who plays Leatherface, and cinematographer Daniel Pearl. You got actors Marilyn Burns, Alan Danziger, and Paul Partain and production designer Robert Burns. You got new commentary with writer, producer, director Toby Hooper. Brand new one. New commentary with cinematographer Daniel Pearl, editor J. Larry Carroll, and sound recordist Ted Nicola. I don't know. Nicola, I guess. Anyway, you get the special features include Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Shocking Truth, Flesh Wounds, 7 Stories of the Saw, a tour of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house with Gunnar Hansen, awesome. Off the Hook with Terry McMinn, The Business of Chainsaw, an interview with production manager Ron Bozeman, new deleted scenes and outtakes, Grandpa's Tales, an interview with John Dugan. He played Grandpa. He was a young guy at the time. And it was an intense makeup job, and he just, he had a hell of a time sticking with it, so they had to rush his scene so he could, so he wouldn't have to go through that again. I guess it was a really intense makeup job, many hours to put it on. So that was kind of interesting. You learn that in the audio commentary. You get a blooper reel, outtakes from The Shocking Truth, Horrors, Hollow Grounds, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Dr. W.E. Barnes presents Making Grandpa. That's cool. Still Gallery, 40th Anniversary Trailer, trailers, TV spots, radio spots. Some of these are carried over from the previous collector's edition, but let me tell you, an absolute double dip. The video is excellent. Colors pop out. It's just awesome. There, you know, there's very few little pops and specks, but they're there a little bit, but doesn't detract from the motion picture at all. And my review of Texas Chainsaw Massacre is a 5 out of 5. Knives to the head. Excellent. It's an absolute must-have. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Get it today. You will not be disappointed if you're a fan of the film. If you're not a fan of the film, I say get it anyway, but maybe you better rent it first. But if you love horror movies, it's a blind buy. So anyway, I'm Freak Show with killer reviews. Until next time, keep it killer. I am the one, get within your